Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Ford Taurus. Stock number is 18B108A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk now. There's a 60-40 split on the rear seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, and your climate controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Taurus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.